I'm anticipating a real good hunt today with all these fine young men that are flying in here and the ones that's already here. It's a beautiful day. There's no wind, so I anticipate a high turnout of pheasants that we're going to put in the bag.
There we go.
Take to the house.
There we go.
With all these fine gentlemen, and especially with this fine cameraman that's shooting this footage right is for us to turn around and take back home to our loved ones.
There we go.
Come on, buddy. What do you say about that?
My gun sprung.
What your grandkids did to it?
Yeah.
Everybody's hunting pheasants before? Everybody know what we're shooting. No shooting on the ground. If I catch you shooting on the ground, I'm going to take that gun. And you're going to walk the rest of the day. Got it? Let them get up in the air. You want to see blue sky underneath them. Other than that, it's basically common sense. Oh, hands. Hands are 250. Hands are 250. Goes in a jar at the hill.
They don't give you 250. It costs.
Yeah. No shooting on the ground. Roosters only. Blue sky. Anything else you want to cover, Grover?
No, sir. Except if we get to kill over the limit.
Yeah, what Grover said.
See, now I knew I had to talk straight.
Yeah, the money man.
What Grover
Well,
said.
how many millions have we got so we know?
I counted 25.
Four birds a piece, right? 24. 3. When did you change that? 2.
Right now.
How many millions we got?
And nobody shoot Trent.
26.
Yeah.
How many?
26.
So 26 times 4.
Yeah, man.
26 times.
You know?
What do you gotta say, Luke?
What do you mean?
Before the field.
Seriously, Butter would have done chewed us
I don't know, this is the first time out here. I haven't shot one yet.
There
I
we
haven't
go.
shot this gun yet this year. But just hopped off the plane, hopped on the bus.
Right. Oh,
Killed rooster.
as we were talking.
No, it's distracting me from building it. But
We'll get them, ain't we?
yeah, we'll end up getting them. Tuesday.
Oh. School ain't no joke.
Get up, Bird.
Get up, Bird.
Noah! Come on, did you get that? That's awesome. It pushed him 10 foot. It did, for sure.
Beating on the good times, moonlight racing from the grave. String band playing more of that honky tonk's pretty young thing going dancing in the rain.
No, I got that. I do have one over here yet, though.
I hear a lady spitting.
Good night.
No, it's just a piece of meat.
Needle and a spoon. Coyote chewing on a cigarette. Pack of young boys going howling at the moon. Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Three dead in a crash on a number 4. 2 witnesses blown up high. Not sure whose will be done. You can call me a sinner for wondering why. Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next time. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the last? I swear I've seen your face elsewhere before, just as familiar as a bottle and a glass. Hey, darling, sleeping on the
Yeah.
trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me.
Oh, let him get out. Let him get out. Rooster!
Dude.
Rooster! Rooster! Stop!
Lesson my sense catches up with me.
Let him get away.
Look at the falling feathers.
I missed that one.
Catch it up. The man behind you, yeah. What's
Oh my goodness. That was awesome.
Roosters!
Good shot.
You were right.
Knew it.
You said, I know there's going to be one more left.
Come on! Rover!
We ended up with like 86 birds. I probably killed 44 of them, personally. Actually 43, I killed half. But it's a good first day.
Good first day, huh?
Yeah, can't really say much. Ready to go eat, kinda tired.
And we'll get them tomorrow.
For sure.